Jamaica is our home, and our island is full of places.
That includes the places and the people we meet. In general, or rich culture.
This is YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3.
Hey everybody, welcome to another episode in YaadMentz Season 3. Thank you for joining us today.
Yes.
We're doing something pretty cool, pretty different, pretty fun today. We're actually out of Kingston. Today
Yes.
we're in St. Anne,
Ocho
Ocho Rios
Rios.
St. Anne.
Yeah.
And today we're at the Churchill River Falls and Gardens. They have about, I think, over 15 different falls. And we're going to try and capture all of that for you today. So, yeah.
Just stay tuned if you want to see what we filmed today.
Yes, stay tuned. See you in the next clip.
Welcome back, guys.
Welcome back, everybody.
Yes, so we are here at Churchill River Falls
And garden.
Alright, so the price to come here is like $1,400 for adults and $700 for children.
Right.
They don't accept cash, so they don't accept card. So walk with the cash. Also walk with food as well, because they do not sell food on the premises.
Right,
so it's wise to bring your own food.
Yeah,
Stop off, buy some food somewhere before you come.
Or cook, you can cook.
Or cook.
Yeah, and bring your food. It's an awesome place to take your family, your co-workers. It's an awesome place to come in a group. We actually had a really good time. As we mentioned before, they have a lot of different falls. We saw one called the Brain Falls, one named the R Falls and stuff. Whole lot of different falls that you can come and experience. The water beating on your back is so nice.
Yeah, therapeutic.
So therapeutic. So if you have any joint pain or anything, just make the water beat on it, beat it out at the same time. So that was awesome. And if you don't want to climb the falls, they also have a pool area where you can, chill, stay in the pool and so forth. If you have probably young children or older persons who probably can't manage to go on the falls, you can stay in the pool area.
Right.
So that was good as well.
Right. So they also have a tour guide where they bring you on different parts of the premises and they talk to you about the different areas of the premises, whether the trees or the name of why they name the falls, what's its name. Right, so they also bring us to the bird haven. Yes,
the aviary. That was kind of scary for me. I was kind of scared because I know that the birds kind of just fly everywhere. Once they see the food, they kind of fly in your head and fly all over. Like you'll see the clips. Like I was not really amused, but they have this big one named Scotty. Apparently, Scotty run the place. So you know what I mean, they put him on your shoulder and put him on your head and all over the place, and he eats from your hand and so forth. That was a really cool experience. I didn't think I would actually do it, but I did. And I'm glad I actually did it. They also have the fish pond?
The koi pond. Fish from Asia, Japan type of culture, type of fish. Catfish really. And we were able to feed them and see that they, rush and come and everybody food and they're just excited about the food. So,
and we had to actually ask the tour guide if they haven't been fed, but he's like, no man, anytime you feed them, they always get so excited. Because you had some baby ones and some bigger ones, and you kind of spread out the food. So the baby ones are actually able to get some of the food as well.
Right, so this place is a really nice place to come and visit.
Really nice.
For like family event, church event, work, as the one I mentioned earlier. It's just a really cool. I was looking at even the garden, one in the garden, and you could have a wedding here. I think they do have wedding services.
Yeah, I think they do have weddings here actually, and with those pictures and so forth with the scenery, it's supposed to be awesome.
Really beautiful.
And you have benches all over the property where you can just sit down and chill, whatever you want to do.
Whatever. Right.
It's a really cool place.
It's a really nice place. I had some really nice fun here, especially sitting in the falls and letting the falls beat on me like. It was good. The water was cool and nice and
awesome.
You have to just come and just be a thing for yourself.
You have to come and experience it for yourself.
Yeah,
whether you're there at Jamaica or you're there foreign, you have to come experience.
Comment down below if you've been to Churchill River Falls before.
Let us know.
But if not, trust me, it is a must go here in Jamaica.
Definitely. So thank you so much for watching. Can't wait to see you guys in our next episode.
YaadMentz Season 3.
YaadMentz Season 3. you guys so much for watching another episode in YaadMentz Season 3. We really hope that you enjoyed this episode.
Yes, and we want you to also subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram. And don't forget to watch the previous video if you missed it. YaadMentz Season 3.
Season 3.